I'm Tudor Ciurescu, 22 years old, visual artist, currently living in Lausanne in Switzerland, where I'm also studying visual arts. And my field of working is related to contemporary culture and technology culture. So, yeah. I think for my practice, the best event was going through the laboratories and seeing actually how scientists do their work. So we were like some kind of a parasites going actually in the nest of their home. I don't know. So yeah, I think we kind of like, I don't know, personally I kind of realized my nature throughout this residency. I mean, I really got to know my curiosities and like what do I want to do with them, and our nature was discovered throughout these 2 weeks of residency. Well, for art, I would like to use explosion, and for science, I could say curiosity. They both look out for something that we cannot explain. I think they have mystery in common. Yeah. Hmm. I think the biggest difference is just the work ethic, maybe, or just architectural wise. They work in laboratories. We can work wherever we want to, like in any space. Ways of uh, ways of getting to know what you want to. I don't know. I mean, we as artists and scientists, we have the same. I don't know, destination, so we can like learn from each other how to get to the destination throughout our practices. I think maybe it's when I was at the ICTP, it really felt like also the building because it's a brutalist building, also the environment because it was full of cultures, mixed cultures, and it was like full. It wasn't like the stereotypical white male scientist. It was full of everyone from all over the world. So I think that's like a super nice fact. I think the first moment was like when we saw that woman working with bees, not bees, with
Flight,
with
Drosophila.
flies. Yeah, with flies. Yeah, exactly. And another one, when that guy mentioned that black holes eat stars for breakfast. Yeah,
More.
yeah. And another one, another moment. I don't know. Just seeing the laboratories, I think that was like super. That's like an experience that you couldn't have without this residency. Actually going into their workspace. I might say like the scientists in general, like how they behave and how they dress and like how they talk and everything. And I don't know, the other people will be us as artists and like this this whole context we lived in for these past 2 weeks. So I wouldn't say like two people in general, but like scientists and us as artists really like what I will produce next. Yeah, probably that's a mystery. After this residency, like how it's a mystery how this residency will influence me in the next years. Uh, it's all about science and theory. Yeah. A conversation at CISA about what they do in the scientific research center, and the word that kept in my mind was quantum espresso. So yeah, I'm working on quantum espresso right now. I think materials related, I got a lot to know about them and to actually see them in use. Like, I don't know, Bosch aluminum profiles, or like how they use plexiglass, how they use UV light. So that's like materials wise. Then friends wise, I just got to know yesterday the guy who invented the term quantum espresso, and he put me in touch with another guy who worked on quantum espresso. So I really got like, I'm killing the plug between the artist and science. So I'm like really connecting with them, and then showing the work to the art viewers, and they will ask like, what is quantum espresso, and I will directly direct them to the guys who made the term. So yeah, do that. It's super fun, and it's very actual. And I don't know, I hope that through in the next years in this residency, a lot of kids will apply. Like, the youth is like what matters the most, and they should like be interested in this field because it's a cool field. So yeah, the youth, hopefully they will apply for this one thing.